Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in Dashlane to basically work around your passwords and distribute them to your coworkers or your colleagues. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at dashlane.com and actually get the extension for Dashlane Password Manager. So anytime you'll be in a need of logging into the website for the first time, you can manage the password with the Dashlane. You can save it and use it later, or you can move it to your coworkers and stuff like that. So once you got that, I already have it. It's in the top corner of your screen as a Dashlane, as you can see. The generator and so on. Opening app, for example, that's basically how you can get the shortcut to your Dashlane website, and so on and so on. At the moment I don't have any passwords here, but that's about to change. So once we get there, I strongly recommend to click on those 3 lanes to get or enhance your sidebar. Now we have get started options. When you automatically completed the first one by creating your account, you can add your first password. We can try autofill or get the mobile app. We won't be focusing on this one because it's really easy. If you want to have your passwords on always on your side, we can go and add the first website. As you can see, there are a couple of websites that we could use. For example, there's a PayPal, there's Instagram, Microsoft Live, Google, Facebook, and so on, Amazon, Netflix. So let's go with, for example, Spotify. You click on Spotify and you can select in the new window. We can click on login. There's a couple of ways how you can log in, and once you fill the email address and once you fill in the password, you'll be able to get your passwords inside the Dashlane and work around with it. You can still go back and move to passwords. When we click on add passwords, we get redirected to the website that we already know, all those options, but we can click on the top left corner and click add new. Now we can add a URL. We can go for example with asset.sk, login. Let's go like this, and the password like this. Name asset.sk, node, or autofill options. If you want to automatically log me into this website, only autofill, always require master password for this website. That actually means if you can, you'll always get to ask by Dashlane this master password you entered upon creating an account. So we can do that, and I'll show you. Let's go with save, and straight away we have the first one. We can go to website straight away, and we are automatically logged in. Yeah, ignore this. It's a pretty common Slovakian website for emails and stuff. Yet again, we can manage the website, to be honest, or this as a login by see details. As you can see the details. Go to website, copy password, copy login, or share. When you want to share, we can always share this password with the others. So let's go with, for example, the email that I logged into. We can add a new contact, for example. We can add a couple more of them, like this. You can go next. You can give them a limited rights or full rights. Let's go with limited rights. People with limited rights can only use shared items with Dashlane. They cannot edit, share. Yeah, that's what we want. And share. Server error. Yeah. We have to find it out what happened, but it's probably because we are a master admin and we can't really share them that easily. Or the yeah, I know where's the problem. The problem is they are not verified yet. So once you verify the account that you are sending the passwords to, you actually be able to. So that's how you manage your account, but manage your passwords. You can go to add new, like that. You can go with Gmail, you can go with your work account, and so on and so on. Secured notes. You can go with a note, for example, Dashlane passwords. You can save it, untitled note. We can share, delete. We have our personal information with email address, payments, IDs. You can add a new ID card, social security number, driver's license, passport, and tax number. That's in my opinion, quite a big stretch to be able to trust any site with that type of informations, but I would love to keep them in my mobile phone, for example, not in my computer, especially if you are working in big environment of people. Sharing center, you can share the first item, which can be this one. Next, enter, but I'm afraid it won't work yet again because it's not verified. So email, like this. Let's go with try full right, and that worked because this email is verified. Password and health, or password health. This will show you all the passwords that you have and how strong the passwords are. If it's weak or if it's compromised, and so on and so on. Dark web monitoring and my account. Since we have this my account, we can go with account summary. You can extend to the premium. There your data privacy settings, contact email, and so on. We can manage logins. So you can either use it in Chrome, or you can download Dashlane straight away to your computer. I don't want to do that. Let's go back. Security settings, your passwords, obviously your master password, which is the most important thing that you have in Dashlane, because no one would be able to give it back to you. You can import passwords in your CSV file. If you download the CSV file from, for example, Chrome with all passwords that you have stored in there, you can just basically drag it in here and upload it into Dashlane. You can sync it. There are more features you can download. Refer a friend suggests a feature, terms of use, and so on and so on. And the last thing is logout. You can also manage in the top right corner your Dashlane password manager. You can get rid of it pretty easily. If you find out that it's not the one for you, you can go like this into chrome.google.com and find the Dashlane password manager and remove it from Chrome. Remove, and all of a sudden you don't have this extension. Let's go back to Dashlane. And that's about it. So I find it very useful. If you need to manage your passwords and be really safe with them. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.